Hello, in front of me I've got Lenovo Tab P11. In this video I'll show you how to add passes to Google Wallet. In the beginning, let's go to Wallet, tap Add to Wallet button, and now focus on Transport Pass, Loyalty and Gift Card. Firstly, let's enter Transport Pass. And if you are able to find your transit way, select it. You'll be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. Next, let's select Loyalty and select loyalty card you would like to add, for example IKEA UK. Scan your card or enter member ID manually. Now go back, and in the end let's select gift card, which is pretty similar to loyalty card, because you have to select shop, enter card number, PIN, balance your notes and tap add to wallet. All of your cards will appear on the homepage of Google Wallet. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.